Grade 1 students, how are you all today? I hope you all are good, feeling happy, feeling healthy. Tummies are full with yummy, yummy breakfast, right? Your minds are fresh. You all are fresh. No one is sleeping tired, feeling tired or sleepy, right? You all are fresh. No tiredness, no sleepy, no sleepiness, right? Yes? Great. So you all are ready to study, isn't it so? That's good. Very good, in fact. Now, which week is this actually? Today is the first day. The first day of week 23rd. This is your 23rd week. And basically, this is the last week in which you are going to study something. You are going to learn something. Why? Because from next week you will be having your revision. It will be your revision week. It will be your reinforcement week. That means whatever we have done throughout this term, throughout this second term, I am going to revise that with you. You are going to have a revision of whatever you have done up till now. Do you understand my point? Like whatever we have covered in this second term from week 24, that is the next week, you are going to have reinforcement. And in reinforcement, I'm going to revise whatever we have done throughout this session, throughout this term too, in the form of worksheets. We will revise that also. I'll be giving you worksheets also. And if you have any issue, if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. We are going to solve your issues. You are going to do reinforcement. And after this week, we'll have final exams. That means you will be having final papers, and in that you are going to, it will be decided that whether you are going to go in grade 2 or not. So that means you all need to study. You all need to revise. You all need to study whatever we have done throughout this term. Ready? Yes. So studying is very important for you so that once you will study, you will know what we have done throughout this term. And if you have any problem, I am there to help you out. Clear? All right. Now coming back to the topic. Now today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn some words. Now what type of words we are going to learn? We are going to learn soft C words. Which words? As you can see on my board, I have written soft C words. Now what are soft C words, class? Actually, what happens, children, that when any word which has C in it, and if that C is followed by I, E, or Y, that word becomes soft. And the C is going to make the sound of S, like mice, like rice. Now see here, the word mice and rice. They both have C, right? So here C is followed by E. Here also C is followed by E. Now if you say the word with me, mice. Say it, mice. So what is the sound of C? Mice. Sir sound. In the same way, rice. What is the sound of C? Rice. Sir sound. In the same way, city. Sit. City. What's the sound? City. Sir. It's S sound. You understand? In the same way, if the word is, you can say spicy. Spicy. Again, C is making the sir sound. So these are all soft C words that when C is making sir sound and it's followed by I, E, or Y, that word becomes soft C word. You got my point? Yes? Now, I'll show you a picture, and in that way, it's going to be much, much more clearer to you all that what is actually soft C. Can you all see my board, class? Great. Soft C words. Usually when C is followed by the E, I, or Y, the C is soft and sounds like a S. Sir. You got my point? Sir. Now in this way you can see the words scent, city, bouncy, face, circle, fancy, ice, circus, mercy, mites, pencil, spicy. You see how the C is making the sound? It's making the sound of S, S sound. But oh, on the other hand, if you see the hard C, now what happens that when C is followed by the vowels A, O, U or any consonant, the C makes the K sound, K sound. Like if the C is followed by a vowel O, U, A, U and O or any other consonant, it's going to make the sound of K. Like in these words, you can say card, cat, castle, cast, cane, cake, comb, crayons, cloud, corn, curve, curl, cup, cable, crib, class, cold, club, and cracker. What sound C is making now? K sound. What sound? K. So you understand the difference? You understood, children? When if the C is followed by I, E, Y or any other or Y, it makes the sound of S, and that sound will be soft C. We will call it a soft C word. You understand my point, class? Is it clear to you what is soft C? When C is followed by I, E or Y, we call it soft C, and it's going to make the sound of S, S sound. And that word would be, we call that word soft C, since it's making a S sound and is followed by I, E or Y. Got my point? So this is the difference between soft C and hard C. Now what is hard C? If C is followed by what you call it A, U, O or U or any other consonant, then it's going to make the K sound. And we will call it a hard C. Like cat, like computer, it is all making K sound. Do you understand? Right? Now I'll show you some words written on my very tiny cute little butterflies, and you are going to tell me whether it is a soft C word or not. Got my point? Can you see these two words written on my butterfly? Now what is this? City. City. What is this? Fact. Fact. Now which word is soft C here? Yes, city, because it's making the S sound. In fact, it's a normal C word, right? You understood? All right. It's the hard C actually. All right. Now, another butterfly. Read the word circle. What is the word? Circle. And face. Circle, face. Now, which is the soft C word here? Circle, correct. And what about face? So again, both are soft C word, right? Correct. Now next. Very easy, we have done just now. Rice and mice. Rice, mice. What about rice and mice? Both the words have soft C. You can say rice, mice. They both are making, C is making which sound? S sound. So they both are soft C words. You understood my points? Now, let's make a list of all the soft C word. I'm going to write down few words and you are going to tell me the soft C words out of that list, okay? And later on, you need to write this down in your notebook as well. So can you see my board here, class? That's great. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, now the first word is ice, then spicy, then computer, then cat, then mice, fact, then city, then rice, then race, then cave, then actor, then face, then circle, then crocodile. Okay. Now tell me, class, what are the soft C words here? What are the soft C words here? Is ice a soft C word? Correct. It's a soft C word. Correct. What about spicy? Spicy, yes. Soft C. Computer, no. Cat, no. Mice, yes. Fact, no. City, yes. Rice, yes. Race, yes. Cave, no. Actor, no. Face, yes. Circle, yes. Crocodile, no. Crocodile, no. So you understood how the soft C word is different from hard C. You need to see the word, you need to sound the word, and then you can find out the difference between these two words. Now, I want you to make this list, write down this list in your notebook, and I'm giving you 8 minutes time, and your time starts now. Okay, class, time is up, time is up. Raise your hands, show me your work. You all have written? Wow, that's great. So I hope it is clear to you all that what is soft C, how we are going to find out the soft C words, how it is different from a hard C word. Understood? Okay. Now don't forget to do your homework. I'll be posting that on portal. Probably it is going to be to make sentences of any of 4 soft C words from the list that you have made just now in class. Okay, Celine? So bye-bye. See you in your science lesson.